interest rates have finally been reduced to 5%, and yes, hopefully the downward trend has finally started, although the Bank of England has definitely warned that inflation is going to go back up to 2.75% for later this year because of food and energy inflation, and before they go back to the 2% in 2025. So what does that mean, guys? It means that lenders unfortunately have already factored in most of this in their rate cuts for fixed mortgages. So currently fixed mortgages are sitting between 4 to 5% depending on how much deposit you're going to put into the deal and various other factors. But basically this at least signals there is some confidence in the market right now. It's definitely going to shake up the housing market ever so slightly, with home buyers looking to then start making their decisions to move, hopefully pondering over those decisions in the summer with their families, and starting to shake up the housing market ever so slightly. So I think great news, but obviously all is not over yet. They are saying that the downward trend is going to be painfully slow. So they're expecting one more possible interest rate drop in 2024, possibly not. Again, it depends on services inflation, wage inflation, all the other figures that they look at before they make a decision. But at least it's a great start, and it's a great positive confidence in the fact in the market, which again, with this beautiful weather that we've had recently, sort of coincides and gives us a great start to property developers like us, and obviously adding to the recent news from Labour in terms of all the housing news that they've been giving us recently in terms of planning changes, their optimism and their energy in terms of creating 370,000 new houses every single year to fulfill their 1.5 million target over the 5 years. All of this enthusiasm from Labour and the fact that they're going to be pushing for more houses this year is really going to shake up the housing market, and hopefully come September, October, people are going to start seeing properties being sold where currently there's been a lot of stagnation in the market because of affordability and very high interest rates. And yes, obviously those will still linger on for a while, but at least I think we've had some great news today. And there was all this talk about whether it's going to be August, September. The Fed, the US, did not cut the interest rate yesterday, but I think we've sort of gone ahead of them as well, which is another kind of key sort of milestone for the UK as well, because we normally follow the Fed in these sort of decisions. So guys, definitely great news for property developers out there, and hopefully you're having a great summer. Thanks for watching, and more news to follow. So do like and subscribe to our vlogs, and we shall be giving you more content in the weeks to come. Thank you.